Good evening, everybody. Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Just a little quick update video. Nothing long, very short. Of my favorite car. Oh, yes. The 2010 Lexus ES350. Looks like we're sitting on about 180,727. She's running good, y'all. Time for an oil change. And the forever present TPMS light. Taking her out to go get some ice creams tonight, since it's, still freaking 80 degrees here in Georgia. There comes my son. We're going to get some ice cream.
Yo.
Yo, you're on candy camera. Bruh. Alright. I'm just doing a little update video on the cafe Lexus. Alright. Sis wasn't going to let you in, huh?
Well, she did.
Finally. She was probably like, what the heck's going on? She having a party in there?
I have no idea.
Oh, no idea.
Just went upstairs.
How was Bun?
Good.
Hungry? Did you get her fresh water?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
She flipped her cake into her water bowl.
Uh-huh. So she probably didn't have a whole lot of water left.
She was clearly asleep because she stretched her legs.
Did she?
She must have been sitting down.
Yeah. She didn't get out today and stretch her legs like she normally does.
Yeah.
Folks, she's running good. Nothing else to update other than just a mileage check. And that's about it. We'll see y'all next time. Word. Peace.